boys and girls, this is Ms. Moran and welcome to your math lesson. Today, like this week, we will continue learning about shapes. And it's very important that we learn about shapes because there's shapes everywhere, all over in our life, and we need to know how to know the name of the shape and also how to identify it by looking at its sides and its vertices. So today we're going to review the name of the shape, how many sides does it have, and the vertices. And then we're going to use those shapes to form, today we're going to try to make a house out of shapes. So we're going to get started with reviewing all the shapes and its sides, okay? Let me show you that real quick. Here I have the drawing that we made last time. And we know that this shape is a square. And we know it has 4 sides and 4 corners or vertices. Okay, those are the corners or vertices. Then we looked at the triangle and we discovered that the triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3. And it also has 3 vertices, which is 1, 2, and 3. Then we talked about how the circle is round or curved. It doesn't really have any sides. It has 0 sides. And it doesn't have any corners either, so it has 0 vertices. And then after we looked at those shapes, we took a look at the rectangle, and we said that the rectangle kind of looks like the square, except that the square has all the sides are the same size, but the rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. And we learned that the rectangle has 4 sides, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that it has 4 vertices or corners or points, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. We also looked at the oval, and we said that it's also round like the circle. It kind of looks like a circle, but a stretched out circle. But this one's called an oval. And we looked at it and we saw that it has no sides, 0 sides, and it has no corners, so it's 0 vertices. Okay? So now that we reviewed that, I'm going to show you your homework. I think you're going to like it today. It'll be fun. Okay, so this is what your homework's going to look like. You're going to have a lot of shapes here, and you're going to move them over here. We're trying to make a house. So you can make this house however you want, but you got to use those shapes, okay? So here's a square. You can come and put it over here. And for this one, you can actually, if you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger, but just make sure it remains the same shape, okay? So there's a big square. And maybe for the roof, we can use a, oops. Give me 1 second because it disappeared. Okay, guys, I don't know what happened, but the square disappeared. So you're just going to have the shapes over here, and you're going to move them over here. And that roof, that's going to be the roof, but it's so little now, right? So I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. And you can stretch it out too if you want to. You can make it bigger if you want. Or you can use a triangle, whichever one you want to use. And then maybe I want to use this one for the door. And maybe a circle for a window. Okay? So you can do it however you want. You can make the shapes bigger. You can make them smaller, however you want to do them. But I just want you to make a house. Haz una casa con los formas que están acá. Make a house with the shapes that I have over here. Just move them over here and make your house, okay? Hope you and you'll enjoy this homework, okay? And I can't wait to see your house. Okay, so before I let you go, let's review what we learned today. So we reviewed the name of the shape, how many sides it has, and how many vertices it has. And we learned that it's important to know the names of the shapes and to be able to identify them by its sides and vertices, because everything around the world has different shapes, and we need to know their names and how to identify them. And for the homework, we are going to use shapes to build a house, okay? Well, I will see you tomorrow, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.